name is Daniel Truelove. I am a youth motivational speaker. I get an opportunity to partner with students and teachers across the country to help them unlock the greatness that's on the inside of each and every single one of these students.
Hey, my name is Jason Clark. I'm the principal at Lamar County High School. Just want to know that we brought in Daniel to speak to our 4th through 12th grade student population, and it's a great program. He talks on a lot of subjects that are prevalent today in our youth. They were very attentive to him. He keeps their attention, and I was just really impressed with the program overall. If you are a school or have a group, youth group, church group, you know, whatever, I would highly recommend bringing in Mr. Truelove, because he is a very good speaker and relates to the kids very well. Thank you.
There's been a rise in the past 5 years of individuals that commit suicide. There's been a rise in gun violence, not only gun violence within each other, but also gun violence within themselves. There's been a rise of these things, and they said the number one cause of this thing is depression. Number one cause of this thing is self-worth and self-value. And so you have a world that's actually not building you up. You have a world that's actually not affirming you. You have a world that's not saying this is what you are. They saying everything that you're not. You have individuals that are responding to that. And I'm just here today to actually remind you that you got value. I don't care what nobody says. I don't care what she say, he say, nobody say, teacher, nobody, whatever. I don't care what anybody says to you. Like, you have value. You have a contribution that you can make to this world, and it's your goal and it's your opportunity to be able to figure out what that is and to go and let that thing out.
We had Daniel Truelove to come speak at South Lamar School on our theme of the week, which was Hello Week, and he did an awesome job. Our students were engaged and they really paid attention, and there were many things in there that they can apply to their life, and especially what the kids have to deal with these days. So I recommend him. He was great. He was awesome.
I, like anybody else, know the challenges that our students are facing, and they're facing them a lot earlier than maybe what we had to face these things. And so I know what it's like to have dreams. I know what it's like to have doubts. I know what it's like to maybe even think that your situation can't be any different. These students are going through homelessness. These students are going through so many different challenges, and they're just looking for hope. They're looking for a way out, and they don't think that it's possible for them. But guess what? I've been in a lot of these situations myself, and I come here to let them know that guess what? No matter what you've gone through, no matter how challenging it has been, no matter how bleak it may seem, guess what? There's hope for you. There is hope for you, because I've been through some of these situations myself, but guess what? I've made it on the other side, and I want to show them that my life and the life of so many others is proof that they can do that same thing too.
I am Miss Sheila Gunter, and I teach 9th and 11th grade at Sullivan High School. And one of my former students came to our school to give an inspirational, motivational speech to our teenagers, and it was awesome. He used an example of a dollar that had been through everything you could possibly think, and to say, well, did the dollar lose its value because it was dirty, dingy, ripped in half? And that's the way some of our students feel, that they have lost their value based on what they've been through. But I think that example proved to them that no matter what they've been through, their value is still 100%. They still have a high value. So thank you, Mr. Daniel Truelove, for coming to inspire our students.
So I'm excited to be able to partner with you, to partner with your administration, to partner with your staff, to be able to help these children unlock the greatness that's on the inside of them.
No. I say give me all the energy now. Say I am amazing. That I was born to be great. I'm down.